Everyone, and welcome to another SEO tutorial. This one is going to be about the search function inside of GIMP. And in case you haven't seen it before, we've got a whole set of videos on GIMP, a playlist, and you can go through and actually watch them. GIMP is a photo image editor, much like Photoshop, but it's free. So it's something that's really helpful for a lot of businesses in developing their online presence and expanding their SEO. So like we said, let's get right into it. Today is about the search function that's inside of GIMP, and I'll put the link to our other GIMP video playlist in the description below. Okay, so here we are inside of GIMP, and the only thing I'm going to do, I'm going to right click. I've got just a background image open, just a gray, and the point is to see the search function. So if I have my cursor inside here and I right click, and from here I say either open or open as layers, either one. I'll go ahead and just say open as layers. So the first thing that comes up is it opens up a file browser for me to be able to look on my system and find the image that I want. Well, let's say that I know part of the name of an image, or I know the whole name of the image. Well, if you go up here to the search function, if we click on its search, it brings up this window. Now it allows us to go ahead and type in here. So if we know, well, let's see, I know it's called logo something. Right now, we've typed that in, nothing's happened. And if we click over here on search and search, nothing happens. Right, but if we hit the enter on the keyboard, and I want to give a little caveat here, this may be different in different distributions, different operating systems, so you might see some differences here. But again, we will type in the information that we know, and we'll go ahead and click the enter button on the keyboard, and that goes ahead and does a search for us. Okay, pretty cool. So if we know, we say, well, I don't know, I named it car repair something, so we type in car dash repair, and that dash it doesn't have to be there. You can put a space depending on how you name things, right? But this is the beginning of a file, and again, I'm just going to hit on the keyboard, I'm going to hit the enter key, and it goes and finds all the things that are possibly there for car repair. Let's say you know the whole name. So if I right click and click paste, and then I hit the enter key, it shows me where it is right on my machine. So this is an incredible time saver to be able to search and find the images that you know are somewhere on your machine, but you can't quite find them. And then of course, we just click the open button. All right, thanks, and I hope this helps in allowing you to be able to build content quicker, to be able to build your web presence, to be able to increase your SEO. If you need any help, come on over and see us at btfoom.com and contact us.